Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I like to this analysis. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. Before I go any further, remember cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, 17 hours from now, then yeah, the chart is going to look different for you. But my goal here is to keep the video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about general levels and then walking you through some questions, and then based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So all in all, compared to yesterday, about 24 hours ago when I was doing the video, things seem to have calmed down. Maybe some sort of bottom is in. There still remains, more work to do. But it's definitely a much different picture compared to, like I said, when I was doing it yesterday when there was just pure bloodshed all over the place. So that brings about the first question to ask yourself, and that question revolves around the pink line right there, which is the 200 period simple moving average, and nothing complicated in regards to the question, just simply where is the price at relative to that area? Right now valued right around 47.5, 48 cents, whatever you want to call it. As you see, the price, has been fluctuating quite a bit around that area. There's been several instances where the price has actually been able to get up above it, but as far as ever staying up above it, that's where the price has struggled. So that'll be the first question. If you're answering that question that the price is up above that area, well then, hey, that's a nice sign of power on the bull's part. The next immediate question to ask yourself after that is, well, where's the price at relative to 52 cents, which is this red line up there? If somehow the price is actually up above 52 cents and that's how you're answering the question, that would be telling you that the bulls have come roaring back in a very, very powerful manner. On the flip side of things, if you are answering the question that the price is actually still down below that pink line, next immediate question to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 42 cents, which is being denoted by that green line right there? If somehow you are answering that question that the price is currently down below 42 cents, that would just be telling you that things have totally, the bears have taken back over and that the momentum is picking right back up in their favor. If you are answering the question that the price is still, somewhere between here, so below 48 but up above 42, well then one word could summarize that price movement at, that point in time, and that would just be, consolidation. So consolidation mode, if the price is just kind of still hovering between those two areas. But yeah, still a lot of volatility, a lot of above average volume. So the next 24 hours looking like it'll still stay pretty interesting. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.